Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this short jumbo passion twist. If you want to see how I did it, then definitely keep on watching. Hey, please subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so I'm starting off with my hair like this. I had it in cornrows for like a week, and so I basically just used that method to kind of stretch my hair out. But you don't have to have the cornrows in for the whole week. You can literally have it for just a night. Anyway, so it's pretty stretched now, and guys, oh my god, the parting was an issue. Like, I was having so much trouble trying to part my hair. It was just crazy. I had to call my husband to help me. Thank God he was a lifesaver that day. Anyway, we sailed through it, but it was a very, very stressful moment. Trust me, I'm not gonna lie. So anyway, now that I'm done parting my hair, this is what it looks like. So I was basically just parting it in big chunks and twisting it. Guys, this is, if you do it this way, it's gonna make your life easier. Like, this is the hardest part of doing this hairstyle yourself, is getting the parts. So once you have this done, you're good to go. So now I'm gonna take those twists one by one, and I'm going to put my Morris edge wax on the roots, and this is just kind of to help my hair look a little bit more slick. After doing that, I'm now going to go ahead and just do individual braids with my natural hair, and I'm doing it pretty tight, honestly, because I wanted it to be really secure. I know a lot of people use rubber band to do this kind of method that I'm doing, but I honestly just don't feel safe putting rubber band on my hair. Like, I'm just so scared. I've never tried it before, and I don't think I want to try it. So I'm basically doing individual braids with my hair. I just braid it a little bit, and then I twist it a little. You honestly don't need to twist as much as I did. I just doing it just to secure the hair, basically. And now I'm just showing you guys hair growth, guys. Like, come on. So now that I'm done, this is what it looks like. My parting spaces are not even equal, but see, mind your business, okay? Just mind your business. So I'm basically just showing you guys how much of the hair I braided. Literally, that's all you need. You don't need to twist, because when I'm doing the actual hair, I take out the twist. Anyway, the hair I'm using is from a company called Niseyo. I have worked with them a couple of times, so the hair is pretty good, okay? So this is basically what one pack looks like. I think I already took out like 3 strands out of this pack before showing it, but yeah, that's basically kind of what one pack looks like. And so for each braid, I'm going to use 3 strands of the hair. So I've taken those 3 like that, and you want to put them and make sure that they are equal. It's very important that they are equal, guys, or at least kind of equal. And now I'm just going to take my thumb, and I'm basically trying to fluff the hair out. I really don't know how to explain what exactly I'm doing, but I'm just doing like this motion where I'm pressing the hair with my thumb and like kind of fluffing it out as I go down. This is in real time, so you guys can see how I'm doing it. So now it's fluffed out, and that's good for me. Now I'm taking my crochet hook, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So insert the crochet hook underneath your hair, and then pull the passion twist hair. When you pull it through, you want to make sure that the 2 ends are kind of equal. They don't have to be perfect, but they have to be kind of equal. And now I'm going to go ahead and braid. I'm using my hair as the 3rd strand, so the 2 sides of the passion twist are 1 strand each, and then my hair is the 3rd strand. As you can see, I was running into some tangles. It happens at the beginning when you're still trying to get used to it. At least it was happening for me, but as I got more comfortable with the hair, I was doing it much easier. And this is in real time, okay? And this was my first braid, so it was pretty slow. Anyway, so I just braid a little bit, and then I will go ahead and start twisting. And I was twisting pretty firm throughout the entire hair. I don't know, I mean, usually with passion twist, I know you twist loosely, but I felt like because I was using much more hair per braid or per twist, I wanted to twist hard so that at least I get the shape of the twist that I want. Then I'm just taking some Morris edge wax, and I'm putting it at the end of my hair. This is just going to help my hair stay inside the passion twist better. So as you can see, I'm twisting, and then when I get to the end, this was like my 2nd twist, but usually at the beginning you find out what length you want and then cut it. But for my 2nd strand, I was just measuring based on the other strand that I had, and you want to pull to measure. You want to make sure you stretch the 2 strands properly to measure. that way it's the same length. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, so you go ahead and cut it, and then put your rubber band, and then just cut the excess hair at the bottom just to make it look nice. And that's basically what you're going to do throughout your entire hair. It's really a repetitive process, but I'm going to show you guys one more time, and I'll be quiet this time. So if you're still watching this video at this point and you've not subscribed, like, sis, bro, what's the problem? Like, are we fighting? Like, I thought we were friends. Like, what? Can you please hit the subscribe button? Okay, thanks. I'm here again to tell you to subscribe, okay? Hit the subscribe button. Hit it now. Subscribe. Thanks. Oh yeah, don't forget to like this video as well as you're watching. Thanks. So now I'm done. As you can see, I was celebrating. I was super excited. I'm going to go ahead and put some jewels on my hair. You can go ahead and leave it like that if you want, but I wanted to jazz it up a little bit. And yes, I'm just adding. I was putting I was just looking based on where I wanted the jewels to stay, and I was just adding them. And yes, guys, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is what the hair turned out to look like. It was amazing. I'm going to show you guys some ways you can style the hair. So yeah, keep watching. But yeah, this hair turned out really nice. I was actually really happy. I had I think 32 or 33 strands in total. So yes, it took me a couple hours. Honestly, I don't remember how many hours. I think it was about 5 hours or more, or 4 hours. I'm not sure. And that included everything from the beginning of me stretching my hair out and all of that. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the section below. Let me know what you guys think, or if you want to try a style, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. If you haven't followed me already, follow me on TikTok, on Instagram, everywhere. I am Barbara_Udenze. So yes, guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.